Hey everybody, Chris Palmer here. Do you want to learn how to build a beautiful waterfall bench using only 2x4s? Let me show you how. Here are the materials you'll need. So here's the plans. We've got 48-inch long bench, 18 inches deep, 18 inches high, and this is a 2x4 face frame with 2x4 ladder all the way across. First step, let's build these guys. We're going to take the 2x4s, cut them in a picture frame on a 45 and attach them together. We're going to make 2 of these, and that's going to be our frame to attach the 2x4s that go in between. So to start off with the seat, I've cut 11 pieces at 15-inch lengths. These are going to act as the ladder seat all the way between the 2 waterfall legs. Now, let me show you how to make those legs. So because the bench is symmetrical, I always make sure I cut everything 2 at a time, and I stack the cuts so they're identical. As you can see, these will match up perfectly so that when I line up the bench in half, these will line up without any issue. All right, so here we go. We've got all our pieces cut. All we have to do now is assemble. I have my leg, my other leg, and my seat strap. All I'm going to do is come up and connect them, make sure the corners meet flush, and I'm going to drive a screw in from the top and a screw in from the side, and that way it holds it nice and tight. And then when I'm all done, there'll be the blocks from the 2x4s binding everything together. It's just that simple. Now all we have to do is repeat it for the second side. So with the 2 legs now complete, all we have to do is take our seat slats and put them in. Start with both ends installed and then work your way out and figure out what your spacing is. I've chosen 1 inch. You can choose whatever you want. You can put them right tight together, or you can space them out even further. A really good way to make things speed up, obviously, once you decide what your spacing is, make a spacer block for both ends. So you slide it in, and screw your board in place. You can pull them out, move them into the next location. Makes things go a lot faster. It's all framed out, the seat slats are all installed. Now, 2 things left to do. Put a nice little leg tie together in here, and we'll cap off all this face here with fence board to hide all of our screws. So we want to conceal all those screws and make it look really clean. So what I want to do is dress it up with a nice little fence board face frame, and this thing will be a streamlined bench with no fasteners showing. Make sure all cut ends have cut and seal on them so the wood is treated and not left exposed. There you have it, folks, a beautiful waterfall 2x4 bench. Hope you enjoyed the build. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below.